Every day, millions of phishing emails trick people into giving away sensitive information. Today, we're exposing the tricks hackers use so you can stay one step ahead. Let's break down a real phishing email and analyze what makes it dangerous. Hackers often use addresses that look legitimate, but have subtle misspellings. Phishing emails create panic, often saying your account is compromised to make you react. Hover over links before clicking. They might appear legitimate, but lead to malicious sites. Phishing isn't just about stealing passwords. It has led to multi-million-dollar breaches. A Lithuanian hacker tricked employees into wiring $100 million by pretending to be a trusted vendor. Ever wondered how cybercriminals craft these deceptive emails? Here's a behind-the-scenes look. Hackers gather information from social media to make their emails look convincing. So how can you stay safe? Here are expert-recommended steps to protect yourself. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Even if hackers steal your password, 2FA adds an extra layer. Now it's your turn. We're showing two emails on the screen. One is legitimate and one is phishing. Can you spot the fake? Phishing attacks are getting more sophisticated, but by staying informed, you can outsmart hackers. Subscribe for more cybersecurity tips, and let's build a safer digital world together.